Hi, Medicare Dana here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between an independent agent and a captive agent. The distinction between the two is incredibly important for you as a consumer because this is how you're going to be able to save more money in your future. Now, no one likes that feeling of going to a store, buying an item, and then finding out that the store down the road has the same item but for less. Medicare supplements are very similar to that. The same Medicare supplements can be sold at different insurance companies for varying prices. And you need to know this so that you can do your research and be able to be getting the best coverage plan, but at the lowest possible cost. So a captive agent is going to be an agent that works solely with one insurance company. If you're working with a captive agent, they're only giving you the costs of the company that they work for. And they're probably not letting you know if you go to a different company, you can get the exact same item, but for less. An independent agent is an agent that works with multiple insurance companies or carriers, and they're then able to run quotes and give you information on costs of all these different companies so that you can choose not only which company, but you could know what the different cost is. And the different costs in the Medicare supplement world can vary up to $100 a month. That's a huge cost savings. For some people, would I would love to do $1,200 extra a year? Please give it to me, right? So you want to know that. If you work with an independent agent, they're going to be able to give you all the different costs for the varying different insurance companies. Now, something really important to remember is that Medicare supplement plans are standardized. So across the board, it's not the insurance company that's dictating the coverage or the benefits that you receive. It's part of the federal program, and it's the federal program and the federal government that has made that decision. So if you are in Illinois and you have family in Texas or Georgia or New York, and you're all on the same supplement plan letter, G, F, N, you have the exact same coverage, but you're all probably paying much different costs because the supplement plans can charge whatever they want based on, a lot of times it's based on zip code, age, location. So it's so important that you work with an independent agent, shop the full market, and learn what different costs are for the different carriers. Now, with that said, it is important to recognize the carrier themselves or the company. You don't want to just go with the lowest cost available. You want to make sure that the company is stable. They've got financial stability, they have a good reputation, customer service, their claims processing, and their rate increases over the last few years. Some companies will offer a lower price for year 1 or 2, and then they're going to skyrocket your rate increases for the next few years. That's important to discuss with your agent as well. So it's not always about the lowest potential option, it's about the full company, and that's important to know as you're going through this process. So that's the difference between an independent and a captive agent. We are independent agents here at Jaybird Insurance. If you have any questions, if you want us to run quotes, we are happy to assist. It's important that you remember that your medical and financial future is directly tied to which Medicare plan you choose. So that's why you want to take the time, do the research, ask the questions. Happy to hear from you and looking forward to answering any of your Medicare questions, MedicareDana.com.